Yo guys, what's up today? We're gonna be talking about 5 photography gadgets every photographer needs, okay? Some of those are really cheap, like literally 40, 50 bucks or less. Some of them are, more pricey, but let's get with the first gadget. This is probably the cheapest one, and it's a portable flashlight, or however you wanna call it. You can change the how bright it is. You can make it very, very bright. Like, look at this. This is crazy. And it's very small. Like, it's the size of a phone, even smaller. And you can adjust everything, like the white balance. You can make it very, very, very like moody, very warm, or very blue light. You can adjust the RGB, because this is RGB. You can adjust everything. See, you can make different like saturation. I'm adjusting the saturation now. I forgot. Okay, like this. You see, you adjust the saturation. You see, you change the hue. Yeah, like this. You change the hue. See, but this is, yeah, with these buttons. Yeah, this is just so useful if you want to create like that extra moody effect to your photo shoots. Maybe place it under a car, or like this, stick it somewhere. Yeah, you just play with it. And yeah, you can screw it to your camera. You can screw it like onto your camera here. It's very easy. It comes with like a gadget like this. Basically put it, right? You screw it here like this. Then you just, with this part, you slide it into your camera. But yeah, I feel like this gadget is just amazing. It's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. You can do so much like creative stuff with this. Crazy. Second thing is filters. Filters for your lens. I'm filming actually with one lens. It's the Pro Mist filter. Gives that hazy effect that I love. And these are the Stardust filters. These basically create little stars in your images. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen now for reference. But filters for your lens, you can get them in like, there's a wide range of them. Like, they range even from like 30 bucks to hundreds of dollars, of euros. But I recommend buying some of them. They're not essentials. Like, if you're doing car photography, a circular polarizer lens is an essential. But like these, the effect ones, they're not really an essential. But it's a cool thing to have, to spice up your photo shoot and to have more stuff to bring on, so you add more value to the photos. Third thing, it's actually a hard drive. Man, like, I got this hard drive from Toshiba. It's like 2 terabytes of storage, you know, because at the end of the day, like, how many SD cards can you buy? Like, I would have like hundreds at this point, right? But I transfer all my videos here, so I have free storage on there on the SD card. So. But yeah, even for a backup, let's say you come from a photo shoot and you have these photos for a client and you have to edit them, but you have to edit them in like months. The project is months ahead. Like, you have a lot of time to edit the photos. You just put them on here. So you have them, maybe you have them on your SD, on your PC, and on here. So if one of these things goes wrong, let's say your SD cards breaks, you still have them on here, like you're safe, right? So yeah, I recommend getting one. This costed like 70 to 80 bucks, maybe even less. I don't remember because I got it like 2 years ago. This is great. This is a saver. This is gonna save you, potentially is gonna save your work sometimes, right? Third one, actually, let's do this. Third one is, no, fourth one. Fourth one, a pro, a professional backpack. Look how big this is. You can literally store everything in here, like everything. Look, I have everything in here, and you're gonna worry more about losing things inside the backpack than like out while shooting or traveling, because it has so many pockets. It's actually insane. Like, I don't even know how many pockets it have, because like every day I discover new pockets. Like on top, it has one here, 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 like a secret. Like, but this is expensive. Like, I recommend, if you travel, especially if you travel a lot, invest in a good backpack, because getting okay, it is truly gonna change like the way you shoot and the way you arrange things inside, right? I had a crappy backpack before, like just a school random backpack, and it was like a nightmare because it was all like stuffed inside randomly, just cluttered. With this, it's crazy. This is the Tenba backpack. It costed like 160 something euros. It's like not that expensive compared to like others. Like, you have the Peak Performance, which is 300 something, and if you ship it to Europe, it's like 400. So I said, nah, there's no need to have something like this right now. Like, I'm only 3 years in my shooting career. So I got something like this, and it is amazing. The fifth thing is actually tied to the backpack. It's a camera clip. And if you don't know what a camera clip is, you basically, I kind of cannot do the demonstration because I would need to, I don't know, film myself, and I have only one camera. But you basically, what you do, right? It's very easy to understand. You have this clip, right, on your backpack. You have this clip, right, and you have this, call it plaque. I don't know. This, you put it under your camera like this. You basically slide your camera here. So basically, when you're out shooting, you just put your camera here, like here, right? Just put your camera here, and you have it like here. Instead of having it hanging on your neck, it's like 2 kilograms of gear on your neck. You have it here, you slide it, boom. So yeah, these are some of the absolute essentials I recommend, buying for your photography. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.